continues unabated in Kogi State, north central Nigeria. Rising waters across 10 local government areas. Residents of Lokoja North Central are crying out for help, this time to the federal government, as it is now their belief that the situation is beyond the state government.
This is beyond the state government. There's no doubt about that. And even federal government, under this emergency situation, except to evacuate people from here to the hinterland, I don't think there's anything anywhere. Because as it is, it's like the thing is still coming. Between day before yesterday and today, the surge is not more. I don't think there's anything they can do.
The solution to this problem, if the federal government can come to our aid, is the best thing is to do bridge here. Without a bridge, there is no solution to this area. We need a bridge, overhead bridge, before this place can be taken over. If not, anything they do, even the race out, it will be in vain.
Although unprepared for the overflow of the river Niger, families are seen packing their belongings as they try to relocate to a safer place. Boat operators are now making core business, as it seems to be the only means of transportation.
The majority of people in Lokoja live in the Canada area because that is the new Lokoja. A lot of people that work in town live there. Now, to move from Canada to town is a very difficult thing for them. They are subjected to traveling on the cable. And some of them cannot even come to work because they are scared of the water. So economic activity is reducing gradually.
The Commissioner for Environment says, as a matter of urgency, everyone living within the coastal areas must move to the internally displaced persons camp with flood hostels provided by the government.
The government has prepared what is called IDP camps. We have prepared what is called hostels for the victims, so that because already a lot of sensitization, a lot of awareness campaign has been given to them, and at the moment they experience this, they should be able to relocate to a higher ground. And for the victims who are not being able to, that's why we are telling them to, as quickly as possible, get to these camps that we have already prepared, the hostels that we are already prepared that can accommodate thousands of them.
In the meantime, the state government continues to give assurances it will do all humanly possible to ensure that they are safe.